Got it here, Hoggy axe. Check this out. Really beautiful setup. This one is very unique, quick release, and these attachments you can bolt it into back of the axe. As you can see, just different picks. This you can buy it separately, a little hammer. So what's so unique about that? You see this twist off and then it comes out pretty easily. Obviously this extra safety will have to come off, and it's magnets, so relatively easy to take it off and on. This is nice. Now gonna come off and boom. Obviously this side here there's a belt clip, or you can put it to the pants without the belt. Either way, super unique. Let's start out. So you're gonna put it onto your belt or whatever, pull it out. Super easy, kind of a little bit lightweight, but it's perfect for camping. That way your gear is not super heavy, so little hatchet. Super easy to take it out. You see it, lock it, it's not gonna come off. Grab it, pull it out. Just perfect for smaller jobs, and you have a pick and all these attachments, you can put it on. Boom. And it's not really in a way, it's not super thick. You can put it to the side, so it's doesn't take up too much space to where it's like hitting you and stuff. Very skinny little hatchet, super easy to take it out, put it back in, lock it in. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? A really unique little hatchet, like it a lot.